Hello there guys, UltraGamer64 here, and today is an amazing day. It's finally Christmas break. Our last day of school was today actually, and now I'm free for 2.5 weeks. That's a good thing. That's a very good thing. Over the break I plan to upload a lot of videos. I'm going to upload a Christmas vlog. We're going down in South Ohio to see family, so I will be vlogging then. I'm planning to do a lot of gaming videos. I'm obviously going to get some new video games, so I can maybe do a review for you guys. I might get a new game for a Let's Play, and I have something special planned for, let's see, either the Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday after Christmas. So, and trust me, you guys will like this. It involves GameStop, and it's going to be very good. Trust me on this. But, anyways, I can't wait for this week to kick off. The only thing that's holding me back from a true break is that I work Monday and Tuesday, but that's alright. It'll be perfectly fine. Christmas is Friday, going to see family on Saturday, and either Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, I am doing something really special for you guys. But, anyways, today, the reason you're watching this vlog, we are going to Buffalo Wild Wings for the new Zesty Citrus Wings, which are basically chicken wings infused with Mountain Dew. It's like the barbecue sauce is infused with Mountain Dew. So, as if any of you watch my channel regularly, you will know that my favorite drink in the world is Mountain Dew, and combining chicken with Mountain Dew is pretty much the best thing that humanity could have ever done. It's just downhill from here. I mean, Mountain Dew with chicken, no, barbecue sauce, infused with Mountain Dew, mixed with chicken, humanity has reached the top peak, and it's all downhill from here. But anyways, I'm super excited to try that, as you guys can tell. And I'm super excited that break is here. And I'm just super excited. Right now, I am currently editing together the Agario video, which you guys can check that out on my gaming channel in the description below. But I will see you guys over at Buffalo Wild Wings, or here again, whatever I'm doing that's mildly interesting. So, I will see you guys in a few seconds. Alright, outside my house, and it's cold. It's way too cold. My car actually needs, my car needs license plates, so I can't exactly drive it right now. But not like I would be driving it anywhere anyways, because I don't have my license yet. So, that's great. But now to go get chicken. Hi. Hi. What's up?
Better watch yourself filming in here, dude.
Yeah.
You got tons of people right here.
Sorry.
I'd rather have Randy's guy. I'd go fucking nuts. I do that shit. Selling parts. Super easy. And I do go
Here it is, the Mountain Dew chicken. Let's try it out. I'll just take that piece. They should be boneless, so.
They are boneless.
I know.
Can you taste the Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
I can too.
Yeah, it's pretty good, guys. You can taste the citrus, Mountain Dew, the red pepper flakes right there, get the spiciness going. Pretty good. Definitely recommend it. Alright, guys, so we just got out of Buffalo Wild Wings. We stopped in Goodwill, but they were actually closing in 2 minutes, and they kind of forced us out. But now we're on the way home, and I'm not really sure what I'll do when I get home, but I'm not even sure if you guys can see me right now. The wings were really, really, really good. I definitely suggest them. If you're a fan of wings, Mountain Dew, barbecue sauce, any of those 3 things, then definitely try it. It's really good. But other than that, I'm not really doing much else tonight. I'll probably pick the vlog back up tomorrow, but I will see you guys at home in a few seconds. Well, we are back home now, and just a minute, let me mute my TV. There it is. Alright, so we are back home now. It's about 10:30-ish, and right now I'm just watching random YouTube videos, but yeah, this is pretty much my night. I've got some snacks, I've got some Mountain Dew, and it's just gonna be a pretty good night. I'm gonna continue the vlog into tomorrow, though, because tomorrow I get my license plates, and I'm going out for breakfast with my dad. So, of course, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, morning has risen again, and I don't think we're really doing much today, but if we do, I'll show you guys. I'm just doing my normal thing, eating, playing video games, doing stuff on YouTube. I might watch a movie or two, I don't really know. But whatever I end up doing, you guys will see it. So I'll see you in a few seconds. Alright, well, we decided to actually go somewhere today. We stopped in Books A Million, and I'm just looking at different anime stuff, manga stuff, little figures, all that kind of stuff. So, just to kind of explain what we're doing. Let's get out of here.
Okay, so that means you can. Right, 'cause I just didn't want to buy him again and like you guys wrote it down.
There's a Kurt Dersham in the store. Could you please come to the back customer service? Kurt Dersham, thank you.
Actually, you guys should remember this place because it was in the very first vlog I ever shot. I got Monster Masame here, so that's pretty sweet. As I've said before, this place is a nerd's paradise. Like, it really is. This place is awesome. If you have one near you, definitely check it out. It's awesome. Spider-Verse comic. Spider-Man is so awesome. Best superhero ever. I just created a war zone down in the comments just by saying that. I really did. I'm gonna try and find the manga though. Or the manga section, I guess. Here we go. Some kind of Star Wars dice game. Role-playing dice. That's kind of cool. Yeah, there's so much good stuff here. It's unbelievable. Attack on Titan. Now I gotta figure out how to get back in there. Alright, now let's go find my mom and brother wherever they might be. Because I kind of left them to show you guys all the stuff over there, but I have no idea where they are now. So very small toy section, but sometimes has good stuff. This guy I think would be really cool. He looks really cool. You control him with an app on your iPhone, so that's a pretty cool system. Through an app, actually. Alright, where could they be? I have no idea. Oh, check it out. There's the Dice Master game that I have reviewed over on my gaming channel.
Yeah. Well, right.
Kind of surprised I still have not found them. Should be around here somewhere. It's not that big of a store, actually. Yeah. Alright, so I did end up finding my mom and my brother, and now we're checking out. I'm buying a little Attack on Titan figure and an Attack on Titan watch. Well, we're done in Books A Million. Now we're going to the car to go home because it's really freaking cold, and it's like maybe 40, 30 degrees probably. So, not fun weather. Yeah, this weather sucks. Pardon my fingers, people. Well, we've been home for a while, and nothing was really going on. So, right now I'm just playing Spyro Hero's Tale. I know the quality's terrible, but yeah, I know this is one of the easiest games in the Spyro franchise, but I have never beaten it. That was an awesome effect. That was cool. But I still haven't beaten it. I can't really tell you why. I mean, I'm trying though. I'm trying very hard to beat this game. I really want to beat it 100% because I know this is one of the best Spyro games of the entire series, and I really want to 100% it, just like I did with the first, second, and third Spyro games. But since nothing's really going on right now, I'm just going to end the vlog off here. So if you guys enjoyed it, then please be sure to leave a like, a comment, maybe even subscribe. You can also follow me at the links below on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.